I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select Bid Form as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the Bid Form dashboard. App Setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your Bid Form dashboard. Under the Actions, click on 3 dots and go to the Responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the Bid Form. Thanks for watching.